Okay, everyone, so now we are in Canva. This is how to create a cover for your picture for any audiobook, really. Yeah, here we go. So you're going to want to start out here. You're going to go to custom size, and you're either going to type in 3000 by 3000, or if you have it saved recently like I do, this is going to be it. Now, typically, what we would do in this, when we have this, is that we would use one of our uploads, for example, and we would adjust it to the size, and sometimes, it doesn't go the way we want it to, and yeah, yeah, and yeah, and oh, okay, and we'd and now we would fill in the text and everything. But what you can do is we can search out for templates here. Let's just pick food as an example, and I'm going to delete this. Get healthy food here. We could do that, and it's perfect. It's a 3000 by 3000. Now here's a little bit of an issue here, is that we typically, you would see something like this. If I could actually just spell today, you would see something like this, but lowered font, and you can lower the font like this. So I'll just put that at actually, yeah, you can actually type in something like that, and it'll work as well. Even if it doesn't show, you can get it down to like 63 or even 200. Even if it doesn't show up there, it can go past the 144 font size limit. So yeah, so now typically we would need another text. So what you can do is you can do Control C and then Control V, and we have another one on top of it, and that's part of the downside as well. But yeah, and you can also copy this, but when you do paste, you have to do a Control V with that. So just keep that noted. Okay, so now we have by Adam Rothstein. So what do we title this? How to Make Ramen by Adam Rothstein, like, or like something like that, or like spaghetti as well, or something. But this is typically what it would look like. You would have your title on top. You want your name on the bottom here, or unless you're going for a very certain way, like you would have a by and then your first name, then your last name, individually. Let me show you that. Like, let me get this there, and let me get something like, if I could just get in there, something like that, and if I could just pull this up right there, and yeah, and you could still do that, but it's more elegant to either have it like this, or like, hold on, or we could just bring that up, space that out. Let me go over here and there, and then there, and then we can just, okay, and then we could just move it like that by Adam Rothstein, and you could also just center that with a little line that pops up. Perfect. So this is definitely one way you can do it. When you are going to download this, all right, PNG is good, JPEG is good. You're not gonna need to have the PDF standard unless you are actually going to make the book with it. And but this is definitely something that you do not want to have your ebook. Well, unless you're making an ebook with this, it's fine. But if you're going for a full cover paperback or hard coverback, this is not it. This is not the template size you can do. You should do with that. So just keep that noted as well. And now we can download this here with the PNG, and that's the one that's always suggested as well. So yeah, just download that, and yeah, that's good. You can also explore many different things, and you can still, like I said earlier, you can still go to your uploads and you can still make something out. There's a lot of free images that you can do. Yeah, you could actually, yeah, you can readjust this. If I could actually, yeah, and I'm going to go to my downloads real quickly. Yeah, and it should show up in your downloads. You could also save it to a specific folder, which I recommend. So it's by Adam Rothstein. That's going to be, that's what was saved. Yeah, I can still do another one to show you guys. So yeah, so let's just pick a topic. Let's pick swords, if it's there. So yeah, you can definitely work a lot with these as well. If you want to pay for Pro and work with some of the models here, and also readjust it, like there is that option that you can do. If you want to pay for this cover, you could also, yeah, you could also design your own. And in fact, actually, we're gonna do that real quickly. So I want a gray background, let's just say. And now we can go to the elements too. Oh, and that this is, yeah. So we can't keep this as a GIF. So you're gonna want to avoid that. So unless you can put this, it won't come out as a GIF. So I recommend not using these stickers here. So we've got that. Let's see. Let's just do football and see what we get. All right, not going to use this. Actually, this is better too. So right here, we've got this little football clip art. Now we can add our text. Okay. If we can find the font. I may just do a heading too. You can also adjust your font here with like Times New Roman. And actually that kind of works better for what I'm trying to do here. Who knows? Sometimes things just work out. And a heading. Okay, and yeah, and just be sure that you can always readjust it. I'm gonna put this at 300. Okay, I'll drop this to 2. Okay, and you can also, and you can also move this there, and that also will increase the there. So if we can just align it here, that'll be good. And also remember to do Control C, and I'll do Control V there, and we'll take one of these down here as well. Unless you are going to change, you can also change up the font if you want to. When it comes to when it comes to the buy or your title, yeah, if I could just, there we go. And you can also bold it too. So that's, and it kind of works there too. And then just center that, and yeah, and then you can do a lot more with this. If you upload your own pictures and you take a photo of, let's say, a basketball arena, or if you take it of like mountains, you can definitely upload it, and still you can go to templates where you can still find mountains, and you'll probably have to pay for most of these though. But there's that. You could definitely work with that. Add new template as new page. No, but yeah, you can see these as well. This actually looks great for what I'm doing, but I'm not going to touch that. So yeah, you can. So whatever you want as the template, you can search as the template. You could also upload your own as well. You can also find a specific element like this football here, and you got these photos, and you have your photos that are already there, or you could search millions of photos, or let's go and search mountains here, and then you could go there, and then most of these are going to be paid, but if you have that as a template or even as a photo, it can work well as a background. And I can position this, yeah, I could still position that, or yeah, can't really do much here, but typically if you have multiple elements, you can bring one element out and it's going to have the option of forward and backward, but I don't have that here. So just a little more I wanted to cover there. You can also pay to resize there, and once again, you're gonna download this as a PNG. So that's gonna be it for how to create a audiobook cover in Canva. Now when you do upload your ebook or hardcover book, you may have to do an entirely different cover. That's why it's always good to come here to Canva and also upload your own photo that goes along with it, because the file format of an ebook or a hardcover book is different from that of an audiobook, because an audiobook cover is going to be a perfect square, like a song soundtrack. But a book is going to be horizontal, a horizontal cover, because it's going to span both the front end and the back end. So just keep that noted when you make your audiobooks. And let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please leave them down in the comments. So that'll do it for this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next video.